Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you another simple experiment. I hope you enjoy it. I have two jars filled with water and I have two oranges. One is with the peel and one is without the peel. Now I'm going to drop both the oranges in both of the containers and let's see what happens. The orange with the peel floats because the peel is porous and filled with tiny air pockets. These pockets of air make the orange less dense than water and cause it to float. Therefore, the orange without the peel is more dense than water and it sinks. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to support me. Thanks for watching and subscribe to support me and don't forget to like this video. Hit that Thanks for watching and subscribe to support me. Don't forget to hit that like button and hit that bell icon. Thanks for watching and subscribe to support. Don't forget. Sorry, ma. Thanks for watching.